Are you ready for it?
Hey guys! Welcome to our channel.
Today we are going to make pancakes.
For this video we are going to need milk,
Pancake mix,
butter,
1 tablespoon,
a bowl,
1 cup,
a glass,
1 egg.
and a small spoon.
First, fill 1 cup with the pancake mix.
You have to take some butter with a spoon and put it in the glass. Then heat the glass in the microwave for 15 seconds until the butter becomes liquid. And if you see the butter isn't yet melted, heat it for 15 seconds more.
Then crack the egg and pour it in the bowl with the milk and the pancake mix and combine everything. After, blend the mixture until it's uniform and add the melted butter and mix it again.
Now you have to heat the pan over medium heat.
Put some butter on the pan and bit by bit pour the mix on it.
When you see bubbles on the pancakes, turn them over with a spatula.
When the pancakes are ready, take them out of the pan and put them on a plate.
Ta-da!
Remember that you can decorate them with whatever you want.
And that's it.
Thanks for watching.
And subscribe.
Creo que eso es todo.